Hello and welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important weekly legal news from 5th September to 10th September 2022. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that scheme for appointing heirs of employees on their retirement is unconstitutional. In the case of Ahmednagar Mahanagar Palika versus Ahmednagar Mahanagar Palika Kamgar Union, the Supreme Court has held that appointment to the heirs of the employees on their retirement is violative of Articles 14 and 15 of the Constitution of India. The court has noted that an appointment to the heir of the employee on their superannuation shall be contrary to the object and purpose of appointment on compassionate grounds and will be hit by Article 14 of the Constitution of India. In second important news, the Supreme Court has held that delivering used and defective car against booking of a new car amounts to unfair trade practice. In the case of Rajiv Shukla versus Gold Rush Sales and Services Limited and another, the Supreme Court has held that delivering a defective and old model car against a booking for a new car made by a customer who has paid full sale consideration amounts to an unfair trade practice under the consumer protection laws of the country. In third important news, the Supreme Court has made important observations on medical negligence cases. In the judgment of Devarkonda, Surya, Seshamani and others versus Care Hospital Institute of Medical Sciences, the Supreme Court has noted that every death in an institutionalized environment of a hospital does not necessarily amount to medical negligence on a hypothetical assumption of lack of due medical care. The court has further noted that unless the appellants are able to establish any specific course of conduct suggesting a lack of due medical attention and care, it would not be possible for the court to second-guess the medical judgment of the doctors on the line of medical treatment which was administered. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has held that the accused's offer of paying ad interim compensation to the victim cannot be a ground for granting bail. In the case of State of Jharkhand versus Salauddin Khan, while refusing to grant bail to the accused, the court has said that the offer of payment of ad interim compensation to the victim cannot be a ground to release the accused on bail. Lastly, the Supreme Court has held that policy for premature release have to be implemented in an objective and transparent manner. In the case of Rashidul Jafar versus State of UP and another, the Supreme Court has given important directions with respect to the premature release of convicts undergoing imprisonment for life. The court has noted that the implementation of such a policy has to be carried out in an objective and transparent manner. Otherwise, it will impinge upon the constitutional rights under Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court has also noted that lack of literacy, education and social support structures impede their right to access legal remedies, and once a state has formulated its policy defining the term for premature release, due consideration in terms of the policy must be given to all eligible convicts. This brings us to the end of our weekly legal update. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.